10 Creative Ways to Make Money on YouTube. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most asked questions. How can you make money on YouTube? If you're passionate about creating content and building a community, there are numerous ways to turn your passion into profit. Stick around as we share 10 creative ways to make money on YouTube. Firstly, let's talk about ad revenue. This is the most common way YouTubers make money. By enabling monetization on your videos and getting approved by YouTube's partner program, you can earn a share of the revenue generated from ads displayed before, during, or after your videos. Make sure to focus on creating engaging content to increase your watch time and attract more advertisers. Next up, affiliate marketing. Partner with companies and promote their products or services in your videos. Include unique tracking links in your video descriptions and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. Be transparent with your audience about your affiliate partnerships to maintain trust. Another lucrative avenue is sponsored content. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers to promote their products. Negotiate deals with companies relevant to your niche and create sponsored content that integrates their products or services seamlessly into your videos. Remember to disclose any sponsored content to comply with YouTube's guidelines and maintain transparency with your audience. You can also venture into merchandising. Create and sell your own branded merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, or posters. Use platforms like Teespring or Spreadshop to design and sell your products directly to your audience. Design merchandise that resonates with your audience and reflects your brand's identity. Crowdfunding is another option worth exploring. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi allow your viewers to support you directly by making monthly pledges or one-time donations in exchange for exclusive perks, behind-the-scenes content, or shoutouts. Provide value to your supporters and make them feel appreciated for their contributions. If you're an expert in your field, consider creating online courses and ebooks. Share your expertise by creating online courses or ebooks related to your niche. Offer valuable insights, tutorials, or guides that your audience would be willing to pay for. Leverage your knowledge and experience to create high-quality educational content that adds value to your audience's lives. Utilize YouTube's live streaming feature to engage with your audience in real time. You can receive donations, sponsorships, or even set up paid subscriptions for exclusive access to your live streams. Interact with your viewers, answer their questions, and make them feel like a part of your community during live streams. Showcase your skills and expertise on your channel and offer freelancing services such as video editing, graphic design, or consulting. Use your YouTube channel as a portfolio to attract potential clients. Build credibility by demonstrating your skills through your content and provide clear instructions on how potential clients can contact you. Collaborate with brands on brand partnerships. Look for partnerships that align with your values and resonate with your audience. Prioritize long-term partnerships with brands that you genuinely support and believe in. Lastly, consider hosting events and workshops for your audience to attend in person. Offer tickets, VIP experiences, or exclusive merchandise to generate revenue from live events. Connect with your audience on a deeper level and create memorable experiences that they'll cherish. And there you have it, 10 creative ways to make money on YouTube. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time, dedication, and creativity. Which of these methods are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, happy creating!